Yeah, hello friends. So today we'll be going to have a look at how to create a basket adder for particular option strategies for any of those option strategies using the Zerodha Sentinel applications. Okay. So the examples shown here are just for an educational purpose. So please do your own analysis before taking any real trade. And this is just an educational content and not any recommendations for any particular strategies. Okay. So yeah, so here you can see that. So once you logged into an Zerodha Kite web application, right? So here you can see that. So click on, just do the hover on this, and once you click on this more button, here you can see that the set alert options, right? So here this is an Sentinel application, so where we can create an alert based on the price trigger. Okay, so let's say right now the Nifty is at the level of 9,972, right? So we just want to know whenever the Nifty moves to the level of 10,000. Okay, so we cannot, so let's say if you are a working professional or having a busy schedule on that particular day, you cannot keep on watching the market for the entire day, right? So then we can create this trigger, and we can get notified whenever the price reach the particular level which we set and trigger. Okay, so here we'll be going to set an alert whenever the LTP of the Nifty crosses the 10,000. So okay, so here you can see. So now I'm going to create one option strategy, so that means like I'm not sure, like I'm not keep on watching the charts. Okay, so I'll be scheduling an basket order. So I'll be creating a basket order, so whenever the price reaches my price level, and I'll be creating that particular option strategy. So here we can see that. So we made an Nifty analysis video yesterday, and the link will be posted over there at the end of this video. So here you can see that. So we'll be having the level of 10,300 as a resistance for this current month, right? So I'm going to create an bear call spread, so whenever the market reaches the level of 10,300. Okay, so for that purpose, so I'll be creating an alert, so saying that, so whenever the Nifty is greater than or equal to the level of 10,300, so I'll be naming it as Nifty bear call. Okay, so here I'm just creating that. So whenever the LTP of that Nifty cross is greater than or equal to 10,300, I'll be creating a trigger. So whenever we create a trigger, the Zerodha Kite app will show us the notification, and also will be getting a notified using the mails also. Okay, so here, so after that I want to create an option strategy whenever the price reaches there, right? So I'm going to create a bear call spread, as I mentioned. So here you can see that. So I'll be adding the 10,300 call option. So here you can see that. So what is the LTP, all those things here, and I want to sell this 10,300 for one lot, and I'm keeping it as a market order, because like we might not sure what will be the price of that this 10,300 call option. So as also I'm creating an basket order, means like if I place any limit order, and if one leg gets executed and the other one it doesn't execute, then there is no use of creating the basket orders, right? So also I'll be creating an overnight position. So I'm choosing this NRML, and I'll be clicking on this add. So as I said, I'm creating the bear call spread, so I need to add one more option leg, so which is I'm going to add 10,300. I'm going to buy this to cover my sell order over here. Okay, so and again I'm choosing that market order, and I'll be clicking on this add, and I'm just saving it as a Nifty bear spread, bear CE spread, and I'll be clicking on this save. Okay, so here you can see that. So there is an bear call spread has been created. So initially we have created the trigger for this Nifty, and after that we have selected the basket order. So whenever the price reaches that 10,300 level, so that will trigger this basket order to execute. So based on that, two options will get executed. So one is 10,500 call option buy, and one is 10,300 call option sell. Okay, so if you want to do any modification for this, so here you can always click on the edit, and whether you can, if you want to change this lot size, or if you want to change that strike price, you can always have it change it. and once you click on this update, the data will get updated over here. And if you want to not initiate this spread, then you can always delete this as well. So this is about the Sentinel basket order triggers. So if you simply don't want to do any of this option strategy, and simply you want to know whenever the price is getting, then simply you can click on this. Instead of clicking on this basket order, you simply create this, and you can simply click on this create. So after that, you can see that your trigger will get added here, and this will be in an active state. So whenever this gets triggered for the first time, then this order status will be turned into an inactive state, as we can get the trigger for the one time only. So after that, if you want to activate it once again, so you can click on this button and you can click on this activate, or if you want to do any changes for this price level or whatever it is, so you can click on this cell, so edit, and you can do the changes as well. Okay, so this is about this Sentinel basket order, friends. So hope you guys like this video. So please do subscribe to our channel, so that you'll be getting the notification whenever we upload any new videos as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe and click on that like, and if you have any queries, so please free to comment. Thank you.